I am making this video in the late evening of Saturday, the 22nd day of November 2025. This is 11:50 p.m. Nigerian time. Now, this is a follow-up video of this particular video I made yesterday. I made this video yesterday that over 1,000 terrorists entered Nigeria. So a lot of people have shared this video, and I will continue to monitor the movement of these terrorists. I want to give you an update about their movement. Now, this is not the first time we are tracking terrorists like this, because these people are operating in a safe haven. Around 8:20 p.m. So my friends called me. They sent a wireless message that those people that they sent to me yesterday, that they are already in Kanji in Niger State, going down to the south of Kogi State, that they are already in Kogi State. Now, after about 1 hour, police sent a wireless message as well, and a lot of news reporters have reported it, including Sahara reporters. And this is what they are reporting, that police said that there are a large number of terrorists. Okay, let me read it out. That's okay. It is breaking. Nigerian police intel confirms large number of bandits in Kogi. These secondary school universities as targets. You know, yesterday, when I made a report that about 1,000 entered Nigeria, I told you their destination, where they are going. Now, there is a distracted intelligence here. I don't want people to say, Okocha said this. Believe what the police said. Because before today, there are a large number of terrorists in Kogi State. There are a large number of bandits in Kogi State. But these people moving, they are not Nigerian police. These people are not just bandits. These people are ISWAP, Islamic State of West African Province. About 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks ago, there were attacks in Mandi, and they were stopping vehicle, putting what's it called, all this truck carrying petrol, stopping it. Terrorists moved from Nigeria here. I reported it as well. They moved from Nigeria here for reinforcement in Mandi. You understand? As they are coming back now, they came back with like times 10 of people that left Nigeria. So they brought their people. And as they are coming, the intel we have, their destination is Ogun State in the southwest. That was the intel we had. So when I reported this thing yesterday, a lot of people also reach out to me that this kind of information, I don't think it's necessary you bringing it up to the public. But for me, I think this is what I've been doing for almost 2 years. It is you that is not noticing it. You understand? I have always been announcing the movement of these people from one place to the other, everything that is going on. Even what is going on in Nigeria today, I said it that it is going to happen. And it is happening. So this is not the first time. And I'm not going to stop doing it. But my own side of the story is this. There is no movement of the terrorists. There is no terrorist activities, actions that the Nigerian security operatives are not aware. I, Okocha Abima, I'm saying it. There is no movement of terrorists that the Nigerian security agencies are not aware. They are aware. They are aware. That is why I'm scared of Nigeria. That is why I always tell you Nigeria will not work. You don't know why I'm saying it. You don't know. All these things happening, both school girls they are kidnapping, both schools they want to attack up, they are aware. Why can't they stop it? Why can't they stop it? See, we are living in a very dangerous country. This is not to talk down someone's country. I don't know how people come out sometimes to tell me, these things you are saying, you are destroying your country, you are destroying Nigeria. For me, if truth will destroy a nation, let the truth destroy a nation. As far as lie cannot help a nation, let the truth destroy a nation. If what I'm saying is not true, that is where the problem is. Do you get it? If what I'm saying is not true, that is where the problem lies. Not that you are saying, don't say this, don't say. Shall we continue to die like this? This is not the time to fear for anybody, because people who are praying in the mosque are being killed. You run to just to pray, you are being killed. You went to school, they killed them. They went to school, they killed them. If you even go to your marketplace, they'll kill you. You are sleeping in your house, they will still come in your house and kill you. So what will make someone living in Nigeria to fear death? No. Fear death? Death? No. Death is the last thing I will fear. Yeah. This is it. That's it. Because everybody living in Nigeria right now, and you have not prepared for that, you know that you don't know where you are living. Yeah, you should make arrangements. Prepare for any other, because living is a plan A in Nigeria. You must have plan B. Anything can happen at any time. Now, let me go back to the story. Nigerian police has now given reports that there is an intel that they are going to attack universities, secondary school in Kogi State. As I said before, I am not dispersing police intelligence. Terrorists have been in Kogi State. They should guide the schools. But one thing I'm telling Nigerian police, these terrorists, you people can intercept them if you want to. These people, see, Nigerian Air Force supposed to be the people that will wipe these people out. These people have not rested enough. They have been on journey since. They have been on journey. You know the time I reported that they are already going to Kanji, all those Kanji sites, Kanji route. That yesterday I published the video. From that time till this time, late in the evening on Saturday, they got to Kogi State. These people have not rested. And the convoy they are using, Nigeria Air Force could have used them to shine. Just drop one bomb there. You have wasted them. Now let me shock you. I know people will say, Coach, why did you say this kind of thing online? These people are using internet. Yeah. These people are using internet. They're using internet. And, okay, let me not say those words again. And this thing I'm saying will not make them to stop using the internet because they need it. They are using it. They are using internet. The Minister of Science and Technology in Nigeria, if Nigeria is a sovereign state, you're supposed to have stepped up your game. How can terrorists use... See, you see terrorists on TikTok Live and all those things. You are asking, why can't they arrest all these people? They belong to the government. Yeah, these terrorists, majority of them belongs to the government. I am saying it. I'm not afraid. I know what I'm talking about. So someone should come out and tell me, hey, why are you saying that? I know what I'm talking about. They belongs to the government. Now, these people using internet, they are not using VPN. Anybody who have access to their number and everything can track them direct to where they are going. And keep on watching. I'm not going to just tell you they enter Nigeria. I'm still telling you where they are today. Tomorrow evening, I will still tell you where they are. For you to know that these people are operating in a safe haven. These people are operating in a safe haven. Yes, these people operating in a safe haven. So police intelligence that these people already in Kogi State confirm they're in Kogi State. But Kogi State is not their destination. No. Kogi State is not their destination. Every minute, I'm receiving messages. Every minute. See, this is not to scare people. No. This is not to scare people at all. This video is not to scare anybody. This video is just to let people understand that there is something going on. I personally, I can't do anything. I can't do anything. I'm not the kind of people that can carry gun and enter bush. I know that one. But you see information about the security people, what is going on in the government and all those things. I will get it for you. And nobody can restrict the access. I will get it. Nobody can restrict the access. Okay? So, this is what is going on right now. These people are on the move, but they are taking transit in Kogi State. They are just resting in Kogi State. They will be departing tonight. Yeah, they will be departing from Kogi State tonight. These people owns Nigeria. Nigeria is sold out already. There are so many deep things. Let me say this again. If you believe in prayer, pray for Tinubu. People will not like this. Yeah, pray for Tinubu. The man is not in charge. The man is not in charge. When he made that statement before his election, that if he fights the insecurity, they will kill him. It is now that the statement is materializing. Like, the statement is making sense now. Tinubu is not in charge. People will not like what I said now, that they should pray for him. Tinubu is not in charge. It's not what Tinubu think or what he thought about this is not what he's saying. Yeah. When Tinubu told you that he is depressed, the man is depressed. The man is depressed. Well, that is the reason why I'm making this video, just because of the movement of these people and the police wireless message after I got a call around 8 that these people are already in Kogi State. Well, everybody should step up their game of churches. Buy guns from your members, so go tell police, say, churches are facing existential threat. Police understand. Gather money, buy weapon, buy guns for your ushers. Make them they guide outside your church. This one not be church. This one not be church. Go buy gun, go they guide your church. Oh. People when get school, buy gun, go they guide your school. Oh. But before you buy gun, buy camera. Oh. You see that church attack in Kwara State? The video have circulated around the world. Don't play with social media. Get camera, fix camera now everywhere. Camera and gun, don't play with these two things. Camera and gun. Get camera that can expose so many things. If you can't fight, as I said, send the message across. Send the video across. The heat the US is giving Nigeria is becoming too much on them. If not social media, nobody will talk about this. Bring your videos. Let me send it to Fox News. They will report it. I am telling you this. I will send it to them. They will report it. What is going on, these attacks? Send it. I will verify it, the date, the time. I will track the video metadata, do everything. I will send it to them. They will still confirm it. You understand? So the world is waking up on Nigeria, and I like it. Unlike before, like what has been going on before. Go and buy AI cameras. Buy the pen. There are some Biro, you have cameras on it. There are some eyeglass, you have cameras on it. Get cameras by all means so that you can have video evidence. If there is attack happening in a place, just send the video. You know why? We just have to justify an action that is about to happen in Nigeria. We've got to justify that, yes, the news that people are dying, people are really dying, and that is the truth. People are dying, and people cannot continue to die. Anybody that says that the death in Nigeria is a normal thing, may him or his family continue to die like that. If any officials or any celebrity comes out to downplay this genocide or killing going on in Nigeria, may what happened to those people happen to that celebrity. We can't continue like this. We can't continue like this. See you on my next video.